Good morning, Saugus. I'm Aiden Arevalo, and today is Thursday, April 19th.
And I'm Caden Weatherly, and this is SNN. Today is also National Garlic Day.
Where did the garlic go to have a drink?
The salad bar. Please stand for the flag salute.
Please stand. Put your right hand over your heart. Ready, begin.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
You may now be seated.
Congratulations to SNN's own placing in National Video Contest. Jack Anschultz and Hayden Trowbridge received honorable mention for commercial spot, and Jack Anschultz received a second in the United States for humorous segment.
Seniors, SNN is collecting pictures and videos for the class of 2018 senior video. The senior video is included in the senior pack. You can send your submissions to our website below.
Theater presents Beauty and the Beast. Performances start tonight and tomorrow nights, as well as April 25th through 28th. Tickets are $8 with an ASB card and $10 without, and $12 for general admissions. Shows start at 7 p.m. in the NPR.
On Tuesday afternoon, the United States lost an iconic woman in American politics. Here's Jack Anschultz with more.
Good morning, Saugus. I'm Jack Anschultz reporting for SNN. On Tuesday, April 17th, we lost a former First Lady of the United States, Barbara Bush. She was married to the 41st President, George H.W. Bush, and mother to the 43rd President, George W. Bush, and former Florida Governor, Jeb Bush. Barbara Bush was the second woman in history to be the wife and a mother to a U.S. president. She was born in Queens, New York on June 8, 1925, and grew up in suburban New York. At a Connecticut Country Club dance, she met her future husband, George H.W. Bush, where they fell in love and married. She focused on family as she raised 5 children. Throughout her life, she was known as the enforcer of the family, influencing both her children and her husband. She stepped into a political life as George H.W. Bush became a congressman, then vice president, and ultimately president of the United States. While in the White House, she advocated civil rights, gender equality, women's health issues, and more that shaped the presidency and her role as the First Lady. She also created the Barbara Bush Literacy Foundation as First Lady that focuses on the quality of life for historians of all ages through literacy. Together, Barbara and George H.W. Bush have had a beautiful and loving life together for over 70 years, being the longest married couple in the presidential history. They exchanged letters and had many talks together, and when asked the secret to her love of George, she said keeping a sense of humor in the relationship. She'll be remembered for her legacy and never forgotten by those she impacted. Reporting for SNN, I'm Jack Anschultz.
Thanks, Jack. Her services were certainly an example for all preceding First Ladies of the United States.
In other news, college acceptance sweatshirt photo date for seniors is today in the gym at 1 p.m.
The Horatio Alger Association is offering a $2,500 scholarship for seniors who wish to pursue a career in technical education. You must be enrolled in a 2-year or less career technical program in fall 2018, attend a nonprofit post-secondary institution, demonstrate financial need, and be a U.S. citizen. The application deadline is June 15th, and you can apply at the website below.
Skincare Ox is awarding $4,000 a year in college scholarships to support the health of college women. Each quarter they will award 2 $500 scholarships, plus a care package filled with healthy organic items to women who are striving to maintain their health and wellness as they pursue their higher education goals. For more information and an application, visit the scholarship tab on the Saugus website.
Yesterday at 3:51 p.m., SpaceX launched their Falcon 9 rocket from Cape Canaveral, Florida. The rocket carried NASA's TESS satellite, which will be used to discover planets orbiting nearby stars. Almost 9 minutes after takeoff, the first stage successfully landed on Of Course I Love You Still, one of the SpaceX drone ships. The landing was the 24th successful landing of the Falcon 9.
Now let's go to Brandon Franke with your sports news.
Good morning, Saugus. I'm Brendan Franke with your sports news. Today, boys varsity volleyball plays Golden Valley at 5:30 p.m. at Golden Valley. Swim and dive competes today against West Ranch at 3 p.m. at the Aquatic Center. Boys tennis plays Valencia at 3 p.m. today at Valencia. Today, track and field competes against Golden Valley at 3 p.m. at Golden Valley. Also today, softball plays Hart. Varsity plays at Saugus, JV plays at New Hall Park, and Frosh plays at Hart. All games are at 3:15 p.m. The drop and drive home run derby will take place on the softball field at lunch next Friday. Each class will be represented by a female and male participant. Contact your class officers if you are interested in participating. Baseball and softball players are eligible to swing away, and a teacher team will also participate in this competition. That's all for me. Now let's go to Derek Diaz with another installment of Cooking with SNN.
Good morning, Saugus. I'm Derek Diaz, and today I will be showing you how to make French fries from scratch. First, you will need to wash and peel your potatoes. Next, you will need to cut them into the shapes and sizes you want. After this, you will want to soak them in cold water and lay them out to dry. Then you will need to fry them for 15 minutes at 325 degrees Fahrenheit. All that's left is to salt them and you're ready to serve. Enjoy, Saugus.
Looks delicious, Derek. French fries sound pretty good right about now.
If you take the ASVAB, there will be an informational meeting. There will be a meeting distribute to and interpret your scores next Wednesday at 7:45 a.m. in the S Lecture Hall. Representatives from the ASVAB testing agency will be giving a presentation on how to read and interpret your individual scores. You can go to the counseling office to sign up for this presentation.
Yearbooks are on sale at the website below for $100. Book covers, autograph pages, and name plaques are also available on the website.
If you're not sure if you purchased the yearbook, you can go to H802 during second brunch or lunch.
The Math Tutor Club is hosting a tutoring session today from 3 to 4:15 p.m. in J1012.
Good luck to Sebastian Cazares, Ostao Omorji, Joanna Vetish, and Samantha Vetish as they compete in the state speech tournament tomorrow through Sunday in the Mountain House, California.
That's all for today. I'm Aiden Arevalo. Stay tuned for SN Radio and Saugus Today.
And I'm Caden Weatherly. Have a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow.